Living on a tight budget is difficult, but now that won't be a problem. You can make money in your spare time. In this video, I will show you a great way to earn money from your dorm room. But first, let me ask you a question. How would be your life if you earn $1,000 or more each and every day? Just imagine. Achieve your financial freedom, leave your 9-to-5 job, travel the world, own a luxury house, your dream car, obtain the peace of mind and fulfill your family's wishes. All the luxuries of life. Finally, you can live your dream lifestyle. I am sharing below in the description a very special and exclusive method to make more than $1,000 each and every day. Also, I am sharing other amazing apps to make some money instantly, and I am always updating them. So, make sure you don't miss out on that, and make sure you check the links below. I know you're trying to make money online and I want to help you out. So, make sure to watch till the end, remember to subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell. I am always updating on new money-making hacks for free. Now, let's jump to the video. Do you want to make extra income? Paid surveys are the way to go. If you are looking for a way to easily make some cash online, you are in the right place. Use this opportunity to earn money online in your spare time by completing a survey or two. Today, I will show one of the best sites to make money while just answering some surveys. This is one of the highest paying rates. You get up to $5 per survey. It is called Surveymo.com. Surveymo Paid Surveys is a part of the global market research exchange Opinoto. Ever since 2014, they have been conducting millions of completed online surveys. Earning money online from Surveymo surveys is easy and fun. They offer free lifetime membership to all. Anyone can join and earn money on the internet for free. They offer surveys that match your profile perfectly. So, instead of trying to find surveys on your own, sit back and relax while they do the search for you. As soon as they find a perfect paid survey, they will send you a direct email invitation. And, you don't need to have any experience in order to take paid surveys. Surveymo Paid Surveys can be accessed no matter where you are. You just need a stable internet connection and a mobile, tablet, or computer. You can sign up for free, simply register with the same email you are using for your PayPal account and you will be ready to start. Then, you will receive direct survey invitations via email. Complete them and make money. Payment on Surveymo is quick and easy. You get to decide how you want to be paid. Whether you will receive money on PayPal or get free gift cards is completely up to you. The important thing is to register with the same email you use for your PayPal account. As soon as you reach the payment threshold, which is $10, you can withdraw your survey money. In just a couple of clicks, money will be on the way. Surveymo helps you boost your income and make online money anytime, anywhere. Now, ready to take the next step to have your dream lifestyle? Make sure to check the links in the description below to know how to make more than $1,000 each and every day, and the other apps to make money instantly. In the end, if you found this video valuable, give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell.